Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock everything on school Chromebook. So open your browser, any of your browser. I'm currently using Chrome, and search here Mac Rollo, press enter and open this first website. So when you come on this website, there's a search icon. Click here and search Unblock website and press enter. It will take you to this tutorial. Simply click on it, and when you scroll a little bit down, here you can see there are many links that are completely free and you can use any of the link. Let's say I use the third one, the daily, or the daily HK, whatever the name is. There are many other links that you can try. They all are working, and if in some cases one is not working, you can try the second one. So let's try this one. There are many apps that you can use. Let's see which are the apps. There are like Google, ChatGPT, Gemini, Discord, Netflix, YouTube. All of the apps are completely free. There are games too which you can enjoy, Roblox, and there are so many games that you can play and enjoy. But let's say I directly want to access to some link. So let's say I want to search Google or YouTube, and let's see if it works or not. It will take a while, and yes, you can see that is completely working fine. So if in some cases one is not working, you can try any other link that will work for sure. So that is how you can unblock everything on a school Chromebook.